The gas pedal, or accelerator module, red arrow, is a single piece held in place by two nuts and connected to the vehicle by a wiring harness. To remove the module, use a 13mm wrench and remove the nuts, red arrow. These nuts sit on top of metal screws coming up from the floorboard. With the nuts removed, lift the module off the screws and separate the wiring connection by pressing down at the back of the connection, red arrow. You can now remove the pedal module from the vehicle. Mercedes recommends never trying to open the module to repair it or modify it. With the pedal module out, you can see the two screws it sits on as well as the electrical connection. Now would be a really good time to clean your carpets. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.